Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your voice on Discord. So to do that, you are just going to download Voicemod and select a voice that you want to use, for instance this cheap mic. Then go to Discord and go to user settings here. Let me just disable streamer mode, and then let's go to the voice and video. Here, you're then going to select the Voicemod one or the default one here. There's two, just select either. And that is pretty much how you can change your voice on Discord. It's super simple. You can set it to any voice that you want once you've connected it. So just select it, and yeah. That is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.